Trust the process. I am pretty sure you have heard this phrase before, and it's very cliche and it's very vague. It implies that you don't need to do anything in order for things to work. But the thing that I've learned about the process is that it's not a passive thing. Like, trusting the process requires that you do your part. It's an honest conversation between you, your inner voice, and the universe. Recently, I've been trying to connect with my spirituality, which is a challenge for someone like me. I'm very analytical, very fact-driven, and very much agnostic. And yet, things that I can't explain started to happen, leading me to believe that I'm destined for something more away from the conventional life. So I wrote in my journal every single day about the life that I wanted to have, the body that I wanted to cultivate, the amount of money that I wanted to make. But for years, I was just asking. I was not working for it. And once I hit the rock bottom in 2022, I finally understood. It was just time to do my part. Because you see, manifestation is a blend of intention and action. We all have those moments feeling stuck, feeling like nothing's happening, and then all of a sudden everything shifts and everything starts to happen all at once. You're presented with various opportunities, but if you don't act on those opportunities, then nothing happens. Because the thing with manifestation is that, yes, you need to ask for it, but then you need to work to achieve it. Because the universe is going to be watching your actions to determine if you're worth receiving what you're asking for. I'll give you a very practical example. A few days ago, X, or Twitter, was banned in Brazil. And as some of you know, I was very focused on creating my personal brand on X since April, since I joined a bootcamp from Dan Co. But I knew that in the back of my mind, I always wanted to explore the video format, doing videos, especially doing daily videos or doing as much video as I can, because I feel like that's how I can do the most damage and actually share the message in the ways that I want to share. Then all of a sudden, X was banned in Brazil, so I had no other choice other than to start making videos. Then a very funny thing happened. In September 5th, yesterday, I wrote on my journal and I'll read it to you. To what end do I do what I do in the way that I do it? Sometimes it feels like I'm running in circles, trying to find my purpose. I'm hesitant of going all in, even when I know that's what I should do. In this passage right here, I was talking about me wanting to go all in on YouTube. Then a few entries later, I wrote the following. Universe, am I in the right path? Open my eyes to it. Give me a sign. Then I woke up to this comment from Ali Abdal. I am pretty sure you know him. He's an absolute legend here on YouTube. Very inspirational guy. Definitely an inspiration for me, and I watch his channel all the time. This is where I want to connect the dots about manifestation for you. Had I just trusted the process, probably things wouldn't have happened. But I took the opportunity and I started doing daily videos. And this is just like my 4th day of doing daily videos. And my 3rd video was commented by Ali Abdal, which is one of the greatest to ever do it in this platform. Do you truly believe that that happened by chance? Because I asked for a sign, but I worked for it. I worked for that sign to happen. I was making videos on a daily basis. I am making videos on a daily basis. And then right in the next day, in the morning, there is a comment from one of my inspirations here on YouTube. Life is crazy and manifestation is even crazier. So this just goes to show how powerful our minds can be and the power of asking for what you want, but leveraging and doing 100% of yourself every day to make that happen. Because remember what I told you, the universe is watching every one of your moves every day to determine if you are worth it or receiving what you're trying to receive. So yeah, trusting the process is not enough. You really need to do your part, and you need to keep doing your part even after you receive what you asked for. I asked for a sign and I received it. Now I'm going to leverage that sign. I'm going to be grateful about that sign, and I'm going to take it even further and continue to improve my videos, continue to improve my way of communicating, because English is not my first language, by the way. And I'll continue to slowly grow my channel and grow my community. And I'm very grateful for you watching on the other side, subscribing to the channel and liking the video, and leave your comment as well, because the conversation is all I'm asking for here. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Let's keep doing this. Keep asking the universe for the things you want, but keep working for it as well. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Have a good night. See you later.